Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So the first three cards are for your general energies, and I'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the general energy, guys. Taurus, and I have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading coming up. So that may answer some questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys. So I will start with the general energy, guys. Let's see what are these cards first. So we have Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Wands in reverse, and Strength. So in your situation, guys, in your circumstance, it may be in your career or personal life, things are going smoothly in certain phases, maybe in your career or in your personal life. Everything is going according to plan or what you are expecting to happen in your life. And maybe for some of you, you may be seeing success in your career, beginning of new projects, or however your work related decisions are going. You are making the right decisions and you know what you need to do today, guys. And you are having that determination, will, and strength in your heart, perseverance to see it through in your situation. Maybe you are facing some difficulties, but still you have that confidence in your heart today. You know what actions to take to make things go in the right way in your situation, guys, Taurus. And maybe for some of you, you are seeing great changes in your life, guys. Maybe in your career or in your personal life, maybe something which you expected uh, is not happening, but instead of that, something better is coming in that place. So you may feel that the way your work is going or the way your life is going, there is some kind of some kind of a help or some kind of a guidance in your situation. So it may be destiny that is weaving your situation, making things go in a particular way, and you feel that something is some invisible force is guiding you in every situation, guys, in your life today, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. These cards, it may relate to the energies in your career situation or in your personal life, guys. So now let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have this card for your relationship. It is Page of Wands. So with this card, guys, there is a person, maybe this may be your person coming towards you, and maybe they are planning to propose to you, guys, today, because they are coming with some important message, and they want to propose or they want to get married to you, and they have something to tell you, guys. Maybe their future plan with you, or they have dreamt this life with you. So they are coming with some important communication, and it is going to be a very positive communication, guys. Taurus, that is what I see with this card, guys, for your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Pentacles in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, there are certain things giving you or acting as obstacles in your growth or coming in the path of your development. It may be some kind of weakness you have or the people in your situation. So something is obstructing, but overall I see that you have a very positive mindset, Taurus. So your situation is simply going to change the way you are today. That determination, confidence that you have, it is going to go a long way in favor of you, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and what to say, that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel loved, and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.